Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, y'all, you know I have been talking about Rip the Runway 2023 for quite some time now. So I'm definitely going to show you some highlights. I borrowed my parents' bread maker and I have been having the time of my life, y'all. So I've been making pizzas. My family is loving them. So the pepperonis are at the bottom, and then on top of the pepperonis is cheese and onion. Not sure what you like on your pizza, but let me tell you something. I hooked this dough up. I put herbs in it and oh my gosh, it tastes so good. It's like crispy on the outside, but like nice and chewy on the inside. Before I was rudely interrupted by Kim in the past, I do have some cleaning clips in this video because you know how YouTube is. You got to stay within your realm of things that you typically do. And I didn't want to mess up that algorithm. So just sit back, relax, get you some popcorn or drink or whatever it is that you need to do, and enjoy the beautiful highlights from Rip the Runway 2023. Everybody worked so hard these last 6 months, so please be sure to show the models, artists, and designers some love below in the comments. Of course, by me cleaning that, it opened the garage. Now I gotta close it. Ain't that something? But the garage is still clean, you guys. Everything looks so good out here. It's nice, clean, and it smells so much better.
You like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light.
If you are new here, welcome. I'm Kim, KYM. This is my home. Before you leave out, please show that like button some love and hit subscribe. Join my YouTube family. On this channel, we spread love, kindness, and we want every single person to be healed. This is and will forever be a safe space for you. So, just leave some love down below in the comments so that we can show you some love back. Scientifically, there are endorphins within your brain that trigger something within you when you're kind and when people show kindness to you. So if you want to chase that euphoria, show some love to everybody that you encounter. And when they leave from your presence, they should have learned something. They should have felt love, and they should have felt like that they were worthy and enough.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever.
This is the Rip the Runway 2023 event. We are here setting up.
Hello, YouTube.
I love this. Vendors will be in this area here. Don't want to get you dizzy, but here is the bar area. So nice, right? Then we come from this door. We're building the stage right now. And this is what we are looking like. We're gonna have some vendors around here as well. Back here where the couches are. But yeah, this is such a nice establishment. This is another backstage area where people can get ready. And it extends into some rooms back there. Also some rooms back here.
Goodbye.
Hello. Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
What's going on? Self-made.
I know that's right. Bonjour.
Everybody out of Cincinnati.
Cincinnati, okay. Nasty Natty. Nice. So we are almost finished setting everything up. This is what it's looking like. The vendors will all have shade that they are in. Now you know it would not be a Kim at Home video if I was not somewhere cleaning, okay? Yes, I am that parent. I'm gonna make sure everybody know who my kid is.
We're going crazy. I'm in the gym going crazy. Cash out here.
Look at all up in your mouth, but that's speaking out. I don't need no clout, so they hit me out. Look, all white cups, got keep my hands. Get it, girl. You want the right to do this, I'm really trying to be. I don't want to get to so keep my name like 200 pounds of me. I cut it down on me, I shut it down on me. I put
Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a we're taking off to the sky. It's you. There was something special. Baby boy, you want my chest.
Support our black community. You better look back.
The people that you're seeing right here are not even a half of the people that were there. There were like 4 different rooms and everybody was just vibing.
I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I know we got it. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
now it's empty. And everyone has gone home. Whew. It's been a long day and everything turned out amazing. But yeah, now everything is empty. This was such a beautiful venue. Such a beautiful venue.